everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Debupriya and today we're going to talk about something every English learner in India needs to hear. The 10 most common grammar mistakes we Indians make and how to correct them quickly. Don't worry, we've all been there. Even fluent speakers make these mistakes without realizing it. So let's fix them one by one in simple English. He is having a car is wrong. The right way to say it is he has a car. We use have as a state verb, not a continuous action. You can say he is having lunch, that's correct, but when you're talking about possession, use has. Myself Raj is incorrect. The right way to introduce yourself is I'm Raj or my name is Raj. This is a classic. We love saying myself Ramesh, but in English that's incorrect. Myself is a reflexive pronoun, not a way to introduce yourself. Let's discuss about the issue may sound correct, but it's not. The right version is let's discuss the issue. Discuss already includes the meaning of about, so no need to add it. Just say we need to discuss the problem. Simple. A lot of people say she didn't went to school today. The right statement is she didn't go to school today. This is a tense mix-up. After did or didn't, we always use the base verb, not the past tense. So it's didn't go, not didn't went. This idea is more better is another common mistake. This idea is better is the correct way. Better is already a comparative verb. You can't say more better. That's like saying extra extra. One better is enough. He do this every day? No. The right way to say it is he does this every day. Third person singular like he, she, it always takes does, not do. So I do, but he does. Easy rule. This one's a little confusing. I'm going to office may sound correct, but it's not. The right way to say it is I'm going to the office. Office is a specific place, so we usually use the, unless you're talking about office as a general concept like I work in an office. Once again, he is more taller than me is incorrect. The right way to say it is he is taller than I am or he is taller than me. Just like better, taller is already a comparative, so don't add more. And yes, than I is technically correct, but than me is totally fine in conversation. Each of the students have a pen is incorrect. The right version is each of the students has a pen. Each is singular, even though students is plural. So the verb must be has. Always match the subject, each has. I'm having fever. You guessed right, that's incorrect. The correct version is I have a fever or I'm feeling unwell. Just like have a car, you don't have fever in the continuous sense. You have it. It's a state, not an action. How many of these mistakes have you made? Be honest. We've all done it. Comment below with the one you'll remember most. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with someone who's working on their English too. Until next time, speak smart, speak confidently.